Hi everyone, my name is Anjum Mullah. Today's date is 20th November 2021. Also, today my topic for the video is the static keyword. So basically, keywords are the reserved word and can be used as an identifier. In total, there are 57 keywords. One of them is a static keyword. So basically, static is a non-access modifier, and it is being the main feature of the static keyword. It is used for memory management. We can declare static as a variable, that is also known as class variable. We can declare static as a method, also known as class method. We can declare static as a block and a nested classes. Then when we declare a variable as static, then it is known as static variable. Then a single copy of that variable can be created and shared among all the other variables on other objects on class level. The static variable can only be the class variable. It will never be the local variable. When we declare a method as a static, then it is known as static method. The main example, the most common example of static method is a main method. The data member can be accessible without creating object of it. That means static method can be called by name, class name dot method name without creating object of that. Then there are several restrictions while creating and declaring an method as a static. It can only call static method. It cannot call non-static method. It can only access static data. It cannot access non-static data. Also, static this or super cannot refer for the same. When to use static as a variable and method? When there is a similar property of an object and it is being using again and again for a memory, then for the memory management or a faster working, we can use static for the same. Thank you so much.